The sound of one hand. A student asked his Zen master, "Master, what is the sound of one hand clapping?" The student looked puzzled. He clapped 2 hands. He listened, but heard nothing from one. The master smiled. "You don't answer this question with noise, but with silence. Not all questions need answers. Some just need to be lived. In silence, you hear most. And in stillness, you find truth." What is the sound of one hand clapping? Some truths are not spoken. Sometimes, silence is the only answer. Share this with someone seeking peace. Thank you for watching this video.